my channel. Hope you are subscribing it. If you haven't, then please subscribe it. Okay, so today I will talk about the conclusion part. So first I am going to discuss few facts about the conclusion. So let's get started. Okay, so in conclusion, what is the first and foremost thing is to use a conclusive word. Why? See, in few of paragraphs we usually write two body paragraphs. In some paragraphs we write three paragraphs. So how we will show the examiner that yes, I am going to end this, or I am writing the conclusion by the conclusive words. So what are the conclusive words? Like to conclude, to summarize, to recapitulate, to encapsulate, like this. It is important to write this because we will show by this word only, we will show the examiner that I am going to end the essay. Okay, second fact about it. The second fact about conclusion is no new idea. This is the biggest mistake I ever have observed in the conclusion part. See, what sometimes they will ask about causes and effects in some task, and what students usually do, they write a solution like government should do this, people should do this. No, if they haven't asked you, or if you haven't written about it in your body paragraph, don't write it. It will deduct your marks. So never use any new idea in your conclusion. Whatever you have written in your body paragraph, please try to rephrase it and write it by giving a brief heading of that. Okay, so remember that we should not give any advice, any extra thing which is not written in your paragraph, so because it would deduct your marks. Okay, so basically now I will discuss about the structure of conclusion. So the structure of conclusion would be, in conclusion would be, first we would write the conclusive sign like to conclude or whatever you want to write. The next one would be your paraphrasing of statement. See, it is important to paraphrase the statement here because it will again realize the examiner, or it will also realize you that what was the topic. Although you are known to it, you already written like 2 or 250 words about it, but it would be necessary if you write paraphrasing of statement. For example, you could write in the rubbish paragraph essay only, you can write that inclining litter has been becoming an alarming issue in number of countries. So it would be like, do simple paraphrasing, but do paraphrase. Okay, after paraphrasing you will summarize all ideas written in body. For example, since the materialistic nature and advancement in the technology is encouraging people to waste more, however some actions like awareness by the parents and even by the government side can combat this issue. So what I have done in this sentence, I have given the two causes along with the solution, and the subjects or the people, we can say that they can do this. So this is necessary to summarize. So no matter if you are writing only 3 sentences in conclusion, but it should be related to the content which you have written in your body. That is the soul of conclusion, I would say. That is key to success in conclusion. Don't write anything new like which is out of blue, which is not even written in your body paragraph. So write whatever you have already written in the body paragraph, because I know in the end we usually we are in hurry to complete it. So that is why always follow this paraphrase of the made sentence, and then write one or two sentence about the thing which you already discussed. Don't use any new idea in conclusion. Okay, so this is all about, in these three videos I discussed about the format, that how you are supposed to write your task 2. If you have any doubt, then you can put your questions or write in your questions in comment sections, and even you can request any of the task 2. If you want me to discuss on my platform, then I can discuss the whole thing about that task 2. But if you want to know more, then please subscribe my channel. I'm requesting you again, so that you can imbibe more and more good things, or more and more valuable things that will help you to score more in your IELTS exam. So do